Grabe ka naman. Salamat naman dito, Batch.
Hello.
Salamat sa pag-invite ka.
Thank you. Kain lang kayo, may menudo dyan.
Ito pala.
Hi, I'm passing the GoPro to someone na sobrang taas dahil nag-host siya ng Miss Universe. Ayun.
Oh my God, ako ba yun?
This company was born in June 19, 2015. The company was born when I was 24. And honestly, back then, I did not know that it could grow this big. This company has given us so many firsts that made us happy. Yeah, when I think about what made us last this long, I can think about three things. It's consistency and commitment. Like it or not, the universe loves routine. The Earth will always revolve around the sun along with the other planets. Day and night will come in like clockwork. Embrace routine. Embrace the boring. Do the boring. Boring is what builds longevity.
So guys, hindi muna kami ng coffee and snacks para sarap yung biyahe namin going to the resort.
Guys, stop over. No, Mikey. Hello daw po kaya sa GoPro.
Hey, what's up?
Hey!
Snacker grabber natin today.
Wow.
Go na! Nakapag-vlog pa to.
Hindi sabi mag-vlog daw eh.
Andito pa lang ako
Ay, sorry.
Ubus naman natin to, di ba?
Ay, ang sarap.
Basta abot dun sa likod.
Nasa Shell kami. Shell baka naman. Ano lang, 1 year of gas lang.
Hey guys.
Ma'am, isa po ba yung school bus?
Actually, I'm English speaking, but welcome to my vlog. I was tasked to do this, me alone. Ako lang talaga ang magva-vlog for the whole vlog kasi we are celebrating our 10th anniversary.
It's a vlog.
Sobrang init, grabe, pero ang saya kasi may mga hot people!
Kami ang ano na bros and nandito kami ngayon sa Subic Yacht Club. We're gonna enjoy the time of our lives celebrating 10 years of Vlogga.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Ay, isang dekada. Grabe, no?
Abangan nyo tong video na to. Ang daming magagandang magaganap. Kaya stay tuned.
Where are we heading?
What's up, ma bro? Say hi to the camera.
Yun ang vloggers ko.
Yes, sir. Hello, Jerry. Sa today's video.
Ay, kilala ko na.
Game
Ano na bro? Tana naman.
Wag bro.
Nights like these are therapy.
Hello, we are in Club Morocco and we are now departing from the
I
bus.
close my eyes to see the light that's shining deep inside me. I just can't sleep, get lost in these moments, can't press repeat.
Ang isa din siya sa mga shareholders ng yate. Ayan.
As deep as the ocean. No, I just
Spread that energy, spread that love. Yung malasakit na binabanggit natin kanina. Pakita niyo sa iba. Show them how it's like to be part of this community. Show them what it means to be a Vlogga fan.
lost in these moments. Lost in these Lost in these moments. We break away and disobey. We feel our sorrows fading away.
10 years of wins, and we're just getting started. Congratulations.
Get lost in these moments. Can't press repeat. I freeze it and hold it. I'm as deep as the ocean. No, I just
anniversary vlog. Bye!
Lost in